Today we're going to install the American Easy Roll cover on this 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 new body style. Now this is going to work with or without the new Multi-Pro tailgate. This is also the same installation as the Chevy Silverado. Let's go and get started. All right, so first what we do is we grab the passenger side rail. Now the passenger side rail does not have the trigger latch. Trigger latch is only found on the driver's side rail. This end of the rail is going to be facing towards the tailgate, and this end of the rail is going to be facing towards the bulkhead. Soft rubber gasket is going to be facing towards the bed cap, and the Velcro is going to be facing up. We're going to make sure the tailgate is closed, then center that rail in between the bulkhead and the tailgate. You use a squeeze clamp to hold it in place. We're going to take one of our clamps, spread it all the way apart, put it up in place, make sure that the grooves in the clamp line up to the grooves in the rail. And as you squeeze that clamp together, tighten it hand tight first with the nut, then take a 1/2 inch wrench or ratchet and then tighten it down all the way with that. Now as you tighten that, this clamp sometimes likes to move, so you want to hold that clamp in place so it doesn't twist off of the rail. Front clamp, you install the exact same way. Once you get it locked into place, go ahead and slide it all the way forward as close to the front as possible. And then same thing, go ahead and tighten it down first by hand, then with a 1/2 inch wrench or ratchet. And again, make sure you're holding that still so that it doesn't move while you're tightening it down. Rear clamp, same thing. Slide it as far back as possible and installs the exact same way. Next, we're going to go ahead and check the level of the rail and make sure that it's nice and even. We can correct the pitch of the rail if it's off by moving the clamps up and down. Then we're going to go ahead and repeat the exact same process on the opposite side. Now we're going to take our tarp assembly, walk it up to the front of the bed, make sure we pull our bolts all the way to the ends of the headrail, so that way when we rotate it down, it lines up with the oblong oval shaped holes. The rubber flap seal will be facing towards the cab of the truck. Now from underneath, we're going to take our spacer washer, go up along that bolt that just dropped through the rail, take our nylock nut, and fasten that in place, get it finger tight. Next, what we're going to do is take a 9/16 wrench or ratchet and start to tighten that down. Now the key here is you don't want to over tighten it, you just want to get it tight enough, just enough to where this headrail doesn't move back and forth by itself. Make sure it's pulled all the way against the tension block and go ahead and tighten it down. Do that on both sides. Once that's tightened down, go ahead and adjust the tarp side to side. Make sure it's nice and even and centered on the Velcro. Then you can go ahead and roll it to the tailgate and lock it into position. Then we're going to go ahead and set the Velcro on each side to make sure it's pulled tight side to side along the entire truck bed. All right, so this is how you adjust the tension. If you need it looser or tighter, this is how you're going to do it. Here's your tension block. You're going to go ahead and loosen up that 9/16 nut that holds this in place. That way we can push the headrail away from the tension block. Next, we're going to pull the pin out from the tension block, and we're going to have 4 different settings on that tension block that are all numbered. Those numbers are embossed into the tension block itself. So you've got 4 different settings. Just choose the setting that makes it best for your cover. Then make sure they're both the same on both sides, and then put the pin back in place, and you can go ahead and slide this back to the tension block and tighten down that 9/16 again and test the operation. All right, now this is how you're going to install your optional tailgate seal. You're going to take the alcohol prep pad, tear that open, pull that out, and then wipe down the inside of the tailgate right along the pillar. Do that all the way around where you're going to place the tailgate seal. Now on this particular truck, I'm just going to run it along the tailgate pillar. You can also run it along the bottom of the bed as well. You've got enough seal to do that. We're going to do this same thing on both sides. What we're going to do is we're going to take our seal, we're going to line it up to where it's supposed to go, peel away the red tape, just expose a little bit for right now. Take and set that in place. Make sure your bulb is facing out towards the bed material itself. and just repeat that for as far as you're going to go. If you do the bottom, install the same way on the bottom, and then up the other side as well. Now, if you have a GMC Sierra with the grab rail, in the up position, it does contact your rail, but it does still work. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.